So Volkswagen Polo 2003, the doors not unlocking. So I had this issue basically with both doors from the rear. Currently I see that they work. Basically this stick would remain down and will not get up no matter what I tried from the remote. So if you have the same issue, there are a couple of things that you can try. First of all, you can go to the driver's door and you'll notice these buttons which does an unlock and lock. Basically this is a bit more powerful than the remote command, so if you click unlock from here, it will actually try to unlock all the doors, and if you're lucky, the stocked door will unlock. This is also useful if you want to replace the mechanism, so the mechanic will not have to take the door off, because basically the whole door is stuck, so he can't remove this cover and replace the part. If you're unlucky and the stick remains down, so the door is locked, you can replace the whole mechanism that is somewhere over here. Basically this mechanism has some kind of magnet which fails over time, so it doesn't make contact to unlock the door. This whole mechanism costs about 20 bucks, so they're not very expensive. So if you have this issue, you might consider getting a used part, go to a mechanic, leave the car, and he will replace the mechanism and it will work completely fine. If you try just to spray it with WD-40 or something, over time the issue might return, so it's a good idea to just replace it. And one last tip which worked in my case. So basically I replaced the mechanism for the left door. The right door was stuck for about a month. I didn't bother because I didn't have time to fix it. So every day I would just go and unlock and lock the doors pretty much daily. And one day I've noticed that the stick was actually going up, so the door was unlocking just like it worked completely fine. I don't know if it's related to the fact that I locked and unlocked the door often, or I just hit a road bump and something might have changed how those magnets are working in the mechanism, but I've noticed that it works just fine. So basically you lock it and lock it. So this is what you can do if you have this issue with the doors. The whole mechanism is not that great on these cars, and they might fail after a while. This car is from 2003, so it's 20 years old, so you can expect things like this to happen. Even though I've heard from the more expensive models like Golf or Passat, they are using a whole different mechanism which is more reliable, and these issues don't happen that often on those cars. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.